Maswera sei kumativi mana ese enyika ndinokuchingamidzai pano pachannel yenyu inokupai tsamba dzinotumirwa kubva kune vanhu vakasiyana siyana, tsamba dzinenge dzisina ma-return address, tsamba dzinenge dzisina mazita, kuita kuprotecta vanhu vanenge vatumira nyaya dzacho. So nyaya yandauya nayo izvezvi ndofunga vakawanda muri kuziva nyaya yaWalter Magaya, Prophet Walter Magaya, kuti vakasungwa nenyaya yekubata chibharo handiti. So tawana tsamba yauya kwatiri ichitaura zvimwe zvakaitwa nani naProphet. Rega ndiverenge nyaya. My story is very long. I'm a former worker at PhD Ministries. I worked there ichiri kubvira before the passing of TB Joshua. I was working in his offices, and because of Walter Magaya's affiliation with TB Joshua, he easily gained popularity among South Africans and Botswana citizens. Indeed, PhD is a cult, and I may not finish everything in detail today, but I will do phases. Magaya scouts for destinies, and I can say I am a spiritual victim. On my appointment to work there, I was still married, and I was told most marriages don't last in PhD. I didn't know what that meant then. Fast forward, I was told my then husband was not God ordained, and I should let him go. He is pulling me backwards in life. Indeed, at Nakugara, we divorced. After our divorce, I was able to spend more time doing so-called ministry work. The real reason behind him orchestrating my divorce is Papa marries you in spirit. There are different types of spiritual spouses. One Akaromba can marry you in spirit to use your glory. Most of the women there are married to him spiritually. Some he did have sexual encounters with them, but in my case, by the time we met physically, he would rather have me link some people to him, or give them first preference on bookings or nice gestures to make them feel welcome. Apart from nice women, he also wanted me to scout for Mbingas through the forms people filled and our interaction. By the time Mbingas went to guest house, they would surely receive a prophecy, as we would have already highlighted to him their problems. Hence, you have to write it down. It would look like he prophesied most cases. Hapana, and many people will tell you nothing changed. The Mbingas would be manipulated to give bigger seeds, and he would promise them personal prayers, etc. To those who know the Bible deliverance, it's not in mentals or stickers, but we were made to push those cells and at times stage miracles so that people buy. That was the ministry income. There are some people who indeed got miracles, but it was just the grace of God and not necessarily the mentors. I remember one time I was at the Blue Shed at a big church event, and Van Vine's the prophet is at Prayer Mountain, but I was there at the hotel. He was entertaining certain guests we had brought. That's the day I realized even his wife knew the deals. The very few people that were there knew what happened, but we were forbidden to speak. If anyone listened to Yada TV, Makua aidzingisa, and he would embarrass you on Yada TV. This issue yema stands ndio yakavarira ma-offices. People wanted their money back. Payada TV oti endai munopiwa ku office. The sales from oils were not enough to cover the expenses, so he ended up making the refund process very difficult till he said vanhu vanoenda ku prospect for refunds. Some people were overseas, so zvaitaura was impossible. Some people went to prospect and they never saw him. There is a guy before Hillary, Katete Kaimba Kukwaya. He is one of those akaitirwa disappear. Vamwe vanoti ari kumaruzeva, but vana vapapa ndo vanodaro. As in, no one really knows where he is. Pana akabuda, one of his bodyguards. This one iripo pa Facebook. He kills that guy. I have more to share. Chingondipai time chete. Ndo kupera kwaita tsamba iyi. and then tabva tawana imwe tisati taenda mberi tabva tawana imwe zvakare iri kutsigira zviri kutaurwa netsamba yauya pekutanga yandichaverenga zvakare. Ndauyawo nenyaya dzamagaya, but mine is rape and Dema stains. 2016, my mom bought a stand in Bulawayo called Douglasdale. She paid $4,000 USD and she also invested $3,000 USD and remaining. So in total, wakamudisa $7,000 USD. That was a pension money. Unfortunately, 2018 she passed on. Then I went to PhD offices in Bulawayo kunobvunza zvemastands kuti zviri kumbofamba sei. Then I was told to go to Harare. I asked them, why should I go to Harare when payments were made in this office? And the response that I got there, yes, and December 2018, I went to Harare. Then wakati ndinyore affidavit stating that I am the one who is carrying over with the project. Fast forward, ndakaenda 2022, ndakuda refund. And I was told there are so many people on the waiting list varuda ma refunds, and they are refunding in batches. Probably my turn will come muna December. I was given a phone number yekuita follow up, and number yacho aitukaifona yaisadairwa. So ameno kuti zvinoita here vese vakavharwa mari tibatane tonoripota zviro zviedzwa. You never know. Sorry henyu nekurebesa nyaya yangu. So ndo nyaya mbiri dzandauya nadzo ghost letters andauya nayo pari zvino. Channel yedu ichiri kutanga munyaya dzemaconfessions nemaghost letters iwayo. So kana mune nyaya dzenyu dzamunoda kuti tishare pano, munokwanisa kusenda. Ndichaisa namba neemail dzamunokwanisa kuti bata padziri muchitipa nyaya dzenyu. Ime chingozivai kuti munongounza nyaya hatikubvunzei zita hatinei naro, even mukatotinyebera it's fine. Zvakare hatidi kutoziva kuti address yenyu iri kupi. Ime munongotipa nyaya sezvairi. Kune vari kuteerera chenyu hakusi kungoteerera chete muchientertainwa kwete, asi panoda kubatsirwa ndinokumbira kuti mubatsirewo mumacomments motiudza zvamunofunga panyaya dzatinenge tashare pano. Until next time, bye bye.